In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a new blog post in WordPress. Whether you're just starting out with blogging or you're already familiar with WordPress, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating and publishing a blog post with ease. WordPress is one of the most popular platforms for website management, and learning how to post content is a key skill for keeping your site fresh and engaging. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Now let's dive into the tutorial. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This is the first step to accessing the secure area of your website, where you'll have full control over your content. On the Login page, you'll see several options for signing in. Select Continue with Google. This method simplifies the login process by allowing you to use your existing Google credentials, so you won't need to remember another password specifically for WordPress. Once you click this option, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. From the list that appears, select the account associated with your WordPress site. Choosing the correct account is crucial because it ensures secure access and that you're working within the right user profile. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the control center for managing your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're new to it, from here, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side and locate the Posts section. Click on it to view a list of your existing blog posts. This is where all your published and draft content is organized. Next, click on the Add New Post option, which should be visible on the Posts page. This action will open the Post Editor, the space where you'll create your new blog entry. Think of the editor as a blank canvas. It's designed to help you craft and format your content exactly how you want it. Now, it's time to start creating your post. Begin by entering the title of your blog post in the designated field at the top of the editor. The title is the first thing your readers will see, so make sure it's clear, engaging, and relevant to your content. Below the title field, you'll find the main content editor. This is where you'll add the body of your blog post. Type out your text and feel free to include any images, links, or formatting that you think will enhance the post. The editor provides a variety of tools to help you customize your content and make it visually appealing. Take your time here to ensure the information you're sharing is presented in the best possible way. Once you've written your post, it's a good idea to review it carefully. Double-check the title for clarity and the main content for professionalism. Well-written and polished content is key to engaging your audience and communicating your message effectively. When you're confident that your blog post is ready, locate the Publish button. This button is typically found in the top right corner of the post editing area. Clicking Publish will make your blog post live on your website, meaning it's now accessible to your readers. If you're not quite ready to publish, you can also save your work as a draft or schedule it for a later date. And there you have it. You've successfully created and published a new blog post on your WordPress site. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it's a great way to keep your website updated with fresh and engaging content. If you have any questions or tips about blogging on WordPress, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.